My name's Sammie Wight, and I'm getting my Bachelor of Science in Computer Information Systems from Tarleton State University. When I first started out learning coding, it was very basic. It was freecodecamp.com. It was nothing important. And then as soon as I figured out I had a knack for it, I decided I wanted to do it professionally, and because if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. So I'm selling out. I'm 100% in it. I'm president of AITP. I'm doing everything I can with my professors. I'm doing an independent study. It's not just classroom experience, it's overall. My professors are very hands-on, face-to-face. It's not the sit and get lectured to. My professors talk to you, they ask you questions, you can't just sit there and stare at them. And I feel like instead of just being told about it, I'm actually able to apply it and really learn it. Tarleton has really gotten me involved and helped me pursue what I love to do.